Hey Nadia, let's make some fruit salads.
Vocabulary, fruit salad.
This is an apple. Look,
An apple. An apple.
this is a pear. Look,
A pear. A pear.
this is a banana. Look,
A banana. A banana.
it's a kiwi. Look,
A kiwi. A kiwi.
these are grapes. Look,
Grapes. Grapes.
this is a lemon. I don't need a lemon.
A lemon. A lemon.
Where is the lemon?